Alright, so if you have any issues with the Toyotas doing this, they're not closing right and they're striking pretty much here and here, it's a shim you can get. It's one of these. I'm going to install it and then we're going to see how we go. Got a 12, that's the socket for the back here. So we'll just undo it a little bit, not all the way. These doors are quite heavy. Okay. So just brace the back of the door and get somebody else to shim it in and then tap it in with a piece of wood or something plastic. Is it in all the way?
Yeah.
Okay, it's all the way. Tie it back up.
You might have to put the second shim.
Yeah, may do. Don't want to put too many in straight off the bat. So these issues happen in how many models, Al?
The 120, 150 and the FJ Cruiser.
Excellent, thanks mate. So let's just check if this has done it. Or let it slam, but we drop it from here. It's a bit better. We're going to need both.
Yeah.
And make sure you tighten it back up again. And both shims are in, or one, whichever works for you. Make sure you get someone to lift the door when you're doing this. When you're trying to get the shim in, it's a lot easier. Okay, now let's see how we go with that. There's a heavy door.
Perfect.
That's what you want.
Open again.
Just leave it. Oh, there's a piece of wood there.
Too good.